Everyone, today I'll be showing you how to write a basic Java program using primitive data types. So you want to open up your IDE. I will be using Dr. Java. This is what it looks like. I like Dr. Java because it's simple and I think it's great for beginners. Okay, so first thing we want to do is import a scanner class because we will be needing it for this program. So import Java. And then you want to declare a public class and give it a name. Need a main method to be able to run this program. So this is what a main method usually looks like. So now we have to declare our variables. So for this program, we'll only be using int and double. An int is short for integer. So it's basically a whole number. So we'll just name that one num1. And we'll also be using a double, which is a decimal number. So we'll name the double num2. We also need a scanner variable. Just name it keyboard since that's where we're getting our input from. And then we need to initialize keyboard. So now that we're done with all that, now we want to print out a message on the screen to allow the user to enter a number, which will be read according to the data type. So to print out a message, you do system.out.print, and then we'll just say enter a number. And whenever you are trying to send a message, you need the quotes because otherwise it will not show up. And then we'll leave space. And okay, for this one, we'll use the int type. So it's num1. We want to print out another message. And we'll do a line this time. And we'll just say your number is, and what we got. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing for the double type, and we're just gonna say enter another number. So even if they enter a whole number, it should display it as a decimal number. So it should be all set. We didn't give it a title, so now when I try to compile it, it will, yep. So now I'll just name it as tutorial. So now it changed to tutorial. The class name always has to match the file name. So now that we're done with the program, we'll just compile it. We already did, and then we just run it. So now it's telling me to enter a number. I'll just do 2. And it said your number is 2, and then another number I'll do 5. And then it showed me 5 as a decimal. Okay.